Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn how to use verb to be in the future tense. Let's get started. Let's review. We have learned how to use verb to be in the past and the present tense with pronouns I, he, she, you, we, and they. Let's look at the future tense. For future tense, you use will be or will not be for all the pronouns. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I will be. I will not be. He will be. He will not be. She will be. She will not be. You will be. You will not be. We will be. We will not be. They will be. They will not be. You did wonderful. Let's practice some sentences in the future tense. For affirmative, you will say, I will be riding my bike tomorrow. For negative, you will say, I will not be riding my bike tomorrow. Now it's your turn to practice. Can you fill in the blanks with the correct verb? Go ahead, I'm listening. That's it. You will say, you will be having a math class tomorrow. Or for negative, you will say, you will not be having a math class tomorrow. Can you fill in the blanks with the correct verb in the future tense? Well done. For affirmative, you will say, we will be going to the park tomorrow. For negative, you will say, we will not be going to the park tomorrow. Can you tell me the affirmative statement for they will not be meeting their new teacher next class? That's right. They will be meeting their new teacher next class. Great work. Can you tell me the negative statement for he will be singing at the party tomorrow? Go ahead. You got it. You would say, he will not be singing at the party tomorrow. What is the affirmative statement for she will not be inviting her friends to the party? You can do it. Go ahead. That's it. She will be inviting her friends to the party. Now you know how to use verb to be in the past, present, and future tense. Don't forget to complete all your exercises in the next lesson. That will be all for today. See you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I can use the verb to be in the future tense with pronouns I, he, she, you, we, and they. I can use will be and will not be appropriately.